Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we are back with another question, a hard question, or this question I have taken from one of the platform. Student asked me, can we do this question using regression? So the answer is no. Understand regression. There should be the number of unknown and the number of points should be either equal or number of unknown should be less and points should be greater, right? So in short we can say that number of unknowns should be less than equals to number of points, but here points are not given. And do not count x and y in variables. Variables means other than x and y, so here I have two variables r and t, but 2 points are not given, right? So we cannot use regression. Make sense? Now, here you can do one thing, either you solve it manually or you put it on Desmos and use the sliders. But if you want to know how you're getting this, I'm telling you, but I would suggest you to do this question manually just for your understanding or your curiosity to know how to do it on Desmos. Let's do it on Desmos. So what I'm going to do, I'll make two different functions. I'll separate it. Okay, let me show you how I'm gonna put it on Desmos. And before I do this question, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe it, because now in the coming videos you will be getting a clear picture, the clear pattern for November, December SATs, October, November, December, because already August SAT has been done and we have visualized the pattern. I have asked the pattern from my students, how is it and what type of questions you have seen, and I got so many responses, feedbacks that is gonna help you for the upcoming SATs. So please do subscribe this channel because you are not gonna miss anything here. And let's get started. So what I'm going to do, I have written this equation here. I'll make two different functions. So first I'll write f of x equals 2 divided by x minus 2, then plus divided by, yeah, you have to be a little fast in typing, okay? Then only you can save your time. I got a graph. Now in the next line, I'll write the right hand side with a different function. Let's say g of x. Okay. R of x. Use the slider. T. So I'll use slider for both. Divided by, right? I'm getting the two different graphs. One is the red one, other is the blue one. Now I know both these are equal. Both the given functions are equal, right? So I will use the slider. I'll set the slider, the value of R and T in such a way that for both these functions, I'll get the same graph. Or in other words, I can say that the graphs should overlap. So I'll choose it. I'll give you a personal trick as well. So please wait till the end. I want to share something. You have to keep on doing this. Don't you think you're wasting time? That's the reason in my Desmos course I have strictly told you that please do not use sliders, because sliders actually waste your time. You're not sure, there are two variables. You're not sure where to set which. There are so many combinations. So best way is why I took this question specially, just to tell you, please do not use Desmos for this. Do it manually. If you use Desmos, you will get trapped because you don't know actually where to use slider, at what value of R I need to set the value of S. So that's the reason why I always tell students not to use Desmos, and this is the reason why I took this question. So I hope it is clear, and the one who is asking this doubt, it is very clear to you. Why I'm taking this doubt questions under the hard questions, because if suppose if I have a doubt in in this particular question, then students like me, they might also have the doubt. So if you're solving these questions as well, it'll be of great help. So if you have not watched my Desmos full course, please go to the playlist. There you'll find the Desmos playlist, most repeated questions. Do those questions because those questions are the repeated patterns that you see in SAT. And whatever questions are the new questions, I'll make a different video for that, and some of them I'll cover in hard questions. I've already covered the last question, which was the new question in SAT, new pattern. So please do watch it on the under hard questions playlist. So playlist has been made so that you don't get confused and you can strategize, you can you can systematically solve the questions and prepare. So that's all for today. Please don't use this question, don't do it on Desmos, and we cannot do it using regression at all because points are not given. So that's all for today. Thank you.